Hi, Courtney Morgan here, coming to you from the Smyrna Outdoor Adventure Center. The Smyrna Outdoor Adventure Center is excited and proud to host a brand new exhibit called Some Assembly Required. This exhibit is going to be on display from September 23rd, 2023 through April 7th, 2024. We hope you get a chance to come check out this exhibit because it is a lot of fun. Let's check it out. Since 1997, children and families around the world have made furry friends and memories at Build-A-Bear Workshop. The Build-A-Bear core values include achieve, embrace, learn, collaborate, give, and celebrate. Share a success. Learning to ride a bicycle is exciting and is a skill that lasts a lifetime. Learning to repair and take care of your bike is a skill too, and it can be really important if you get a flat tire. Change the tires, adjust the seat and handlebars, and customize a bicycle. Are you familiar with the parts of a bicycle? Move a small gear with a large gear. Changing one little thing can make a big difference. If you smile, someone else is more likely to smile. Here are some challenges in the ball drop section. Set a goal. Move a ball from the top of the wall to the bottom, across the wall, and work with a partner to build your path. Make a difference and plant a garden. Planting a seed and watching it grow is fun and interesting, and it might turn into something to eat. Even if you don't like vegetables, eating something you have grown is an accomplishment. Use the produce scale to weigh your fruits and vegetables. Draft a blueprint. Draw with a partner and see what happens when you collaborate, when you ask a question, when you share an idea. Blueprints are designs and engineering drawing used to plan and build buildings, machines, and other structures. Join a band. Get some musicians together and get creative. You and your bandmates will sound better together if everyone gets along, shares ideas, and wants to have fun. And bands need practice, and a lot of it. Construct a bridge. Bridges connect people and places. Bridge design requires design and engineering skills. Will a bridge be used by cars or just people? How would you design and build a bridge for these different needs? Look at some bridge designs and take on some challenges. Form a prediction. A prediction is a statement about what you think is going to happen. Here at the prediction station, set commands to move the block through a maze. Try again and make predictions, setting commands based on what happened. Computer science education activities encourage critical thinking skills and help children learn to value help from others. This is just a taste of what you can see at the Some Assembly Required exhibit at the Smyrna Outdoor Adventure Center, located at 100 Sam Ridley Parkway East, Smyrna, Tennessee. The Some Assembly Required exhibit is sponsored locally by the Jennings and Rebecca Jones Foundation. The Some Assembly Required exhibit was developed by Betty Bryn Children's Museum in partnership with the Build-A-Bear Workshop Incorporated. Thanks for checking it out.